Ready. Okay, so I'm making a sketch. Here's Dad.
Hello.
Smile.
Hi.
Then here's Grandma.
Hi.
Hi. And then I walk back into the kitchen. Let's see where Grandpa is. Here's Grandpa. And then here's the Wiseman. See? There's the tree, and there's the angel, and then the thing. And then there's Mom. Say cheese.
Cheese. Hello, everybody.
Hello. And then there's
Or just to make sure in case any.
Smile.
Hi. How are you?
Good.
Good.
Then there's Matthew typing on the computer. Good. And then there's Grandpa's old chair. And then there's Grandma. Whew. And Dad's bum. Hello, Daddy. Hello, Daddy.
Wait, are you looking at my butt?
Yes. And then here's his shirt with the vest.
And Tina, can you get Mommy's cupcake?
I'm typing a video.
Your what?
I'm doing a video. And then here's a chair with Chris in it. And then
Other period or
here's Mom.
mark would be fine with you.
Smile.
No.
And then there's the table. The back. Here's the table. Back. Here's the table. And then here's there.
That's a long movie, cutie pie.
Then
Yeah.